Using visual triangles in decorating is a quick and easy hack for a well-balanced and relaxing room. It adds visual interest and gives more impact to your accessories and decor. In this video, we will be talking about asymmetrical triangles. The asymmetrical visual triangle has more items put on one side of the triangle, but at the same time, making the composition still look balanced. This gives off a more dramatic feel compared to the symmetrical visual triangle and can be achieved by starting from a tall item and staggering down to a shorter item towards one side. This strategy can be applied to decors on end parts of long tables such as console tables, shelves, or dressers. Like this video, subscribe to AllHome's YouTube channel for more 1-minute hacks.